Adler Tank Rentals, the CustomerHUB overview. One portal, all of your data. First, create your account fast and easy. Click Create Profile. On the customer registration page, you can add your personal details. Then add your invoice details, which can be found on any invoice. You'll need your contract number, your invoice number, and your account number. You can see them here. Register your account and you're ready to sign in. Once you click register, you will receive an email where you will confirm your registration and enter your password recovery questions, and you're all set. Make sure to check your spam just in case you don't receive the confirmation email. Go ahead and sign in with your unique account. On your homepage, you'll have full access to manage your account from any device. You can manage your units on rent and see how many you have active. You can see if you have any pending call-off requests, and you can see if you have any pending deliveries. Easily see your balance overview. Below, you have an interactive map where you can see all of your equipment rented and where it's located. Let's look at Manage Units on Rent. Here, you will see all of your orders. You have the ability to pay, print, download, or even export a list of all your invoices. Need to make a payment quickly? Select an invoice and click Pay Now. Here you can choose your payment method. Here you can verify the order amount, select your payment method, and click Submit Payment. The Payment History tab makes it easy to look at recent payments. You can also use the Document Search option. Here, you can put in the order number and bring up any relative documents to that order. Then you can view and download them. Let's go back to orders. From here, we see all of our units on rent and some user-friendly options for them. You can request a service, you can relocate units, you can reorder units, you can update your purchase order numbers, and maybe one you'll use most often is a rental call-off request. Select the order number, click Rental Call-Off Request. Confirm the information, then add the call-off request details. Select the date for the call-off and the site contact information. Make sure to add any special instructions for the driver and click Submit. At the top, you'll have My Account. Here you can view your personal details, you can change your password, you can update your payment information, and if you have multiple accounts, you can view them all in one location. Just email us to get it set up. The CustomerHUB makes it easy to request a quote. Click Request Quote. Add the project information and your contact information, and a customer representative will be with you shortly. If you have any questions, contact customer support. Add your details and a customer service representative will be with you shortly. The CustomerHUB, one portal, all of your data. Create your account today with Adler Tank Rentals.